What is up? Welcome back to another Inglewood Stadium update. Just got back from the stadium site. Got a little bit of construction footage. Had a brief window to get in there and get some shots. It's been raining all morning and into the early afternoon, and found a little break in the weather and got some cool shots. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a look. Hope you enjoyed that, and thank you for watching.